Okay, so a lot of you could probably skip this one. I'm just going to go over a little stock preparation and kind of fitting it into this little jig here. Pretty quick video. See, I cut the jig too small, so I had to trim my piece down. And then I did it again, and it still wasn't, so just typical stuff like that. But I'd zoom through that. You go through that kind of thing, so do I. And then I brought it over to the machine shop so I could just get those holes in the corners a little more precisely located. That wasn't super necessary for this project, but if you guys aren't familiar with the Bridgeport, you should check it out. It's a great way to make nice straight holes or mill features without having to use the CNC. And I would rather spend the extra 5 to 10 minutes doing this to get things nice rather than trying to do it with a hand drill and making a mess of it. So I can get it exactly 1/4 of an inch off of the edge on all 4 corners, and it just makes things a little more precise and nice. And then countersink the holes so they're flush. Here I'm just center drilling. Definitely unnecessary for this, but I'm a little nutty. And, putting a nice straight hole in, pretty close to the edge. Countersinking flush. And I put a stop in there so I can flip it around and do the other 2 corners with ease. This material is Corian, by the way. Oh, here I'm just tightening by hand so I don't split anything. Corian's a great starter material. Can be a little expensive depending on where you get it, but the machine's really well.